Pour 0.8 fluid ounces of cold water over 15 grams of gelatin and let it bloom. Measure 250 grams of sugar. Add 10 grams of vanilla sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Add 80 grams of water. Place on low heat. Stir gently until the sugar is fully dissolved. Once dissolved, increase the heat and keep stirring. When it comes to a boil, remove from the heat. Heat the bloomed gelatin using a double boiler or in the microwave in short intervals, then pour it into a mixing bowl. Beat with a mixer until the first foam forms. While continuing to beat, slowly pour in the hot sugar syrup in a thin stream. Beat for 8 to 10 minutes. When the mixture thickens and sticks to the beaters, it's ready. Line a mold with plastic wrap. Lightly grease the plastic wrap with vegetable oil, including the top covering piece. Pour the mixture into the mold and cover with plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 6 hours. Mix 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar for dusting. After 6 hours, remove from the refrigerator. Dust the top with the cornstarch and powdered sugar mixture. Remove from the mold and dust the top again. Cut into pieces and coat on all sides with the dusting mixture. Arrange on a plate and enjoy the light, fluffy taste of homemade marshmallows. Subscribe, like, and enjoy your meal.